Hi, class. Today, you might notice
Hello.
Sullivan and I are wearing our face coverings, and we're wearing
masks.
our masks. We're wearing them because today we're going to read Pigs Make Me Sneeze, and it's about the spread of germs. Right now, with COVID-19, otherwise known
Or
as,
coronavirus.
you might see a lot of people out and about wearing face
Masks.
coverings or masks. And somebody in your home might ask you to also wear one when you are outside of the house. And it's really important that we do that. In this book, Gerald has a cold, and we know that when you sneeze or cough with a cold, you always have to cover it up so that we don't spread those germs. Well, with COVID-19 or coronavirus, everybody's being asked to wear face coverings to help prevent the spread of germs
Or
too.
masks.
So, with that in mind, pigs make me sneeze. I'll play Gerald, and Sullivan is going to play.
Piggy.
Here we go. Pigs make me sneeze.
Gerald, what do you want to do today?
I want ah.
Yes? What? A ball, a swim, a hat?
Chew! Sniff.
Are you okay?
I do not know. Chew! I cannot stop. Chew! Sneezing. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze? Chew!
What if you tried to sneeze more softly?
Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Yeah, you might not be able to be near some people that you love because of the spread of germs too.
Except your family.
Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. Oh, are you going to be apart from people forever?
Mm-mm. It's
Just
just
for
a
a while.
long time.
It feels like a long time, doesn't it? Okay, go ahead.
But Gerald,
No, do not speak. It is too late. It's gonna be a big one. Chew. Goodbye.
Gerald,
Sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy's also my best friend. Choo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, great news. I have a cold.
good for you.
Oh, Oh, look at Piggy. Now Piggy has the cold because Gerald spread his cold. Oh, and look, even the pigeon got sick. So remember, friends, if you have a cold or a sneeze, make sure you cover it up. And when you're out and about, if your family
Or if you're
asks you to,
sick.
yep,
Or
make
if you're
sure
sick.
you're using your face coverings. And then also remember, this isn't forever. We're going to see our friends and our loved ones and each other again real soon, I hope. Have a great day.